Welcome to Tuesday's Take. Today we're at 750 4th Street Southwest, and I'm here to feature a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. This is a beautiful home, like I've made mention in the past. It's got the flair and character of the 50s, however a lot of modern updates, which include the bathroom update, kitchen, and basement. Believe me, this is something you're going to want to see. Now let's take a look around. Well, what do you think? I don't think you were disappointed at all. This house is gorgeous. It has all the features and amenities you could ask for. Totally updated. You come in here and you make yourself at home. And don't forget, the grass is always greenest at RE/MAX Lawn Realty.